Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get low ping on Roblox mobile. First, always ensure your device's operating system is completely up to date. This provides the best foundation. Next, close all applications running in the background before you even open Roblox. This frees up valuable processing power and memory. Finally, a simple restart of your mobile device can often work wonders, clearing out any temporary glitches and giving you a fresh start. Optimizing your network connection is crucial for lower ping. Always connect to a strong, stable Wi-Fi network, preferably one operating on the 5 GHz band for faster speeds. Try to position yourself as close as possible to your Wi-Fi router to reduce signal interference. If you have the option, avoid using mobile data for gaming, as Wi-Fi generally offers a more consistent and lower latency experience. Boosting your device's performance directly impacts your ping. Regularly clear your device's cache to get rid of old, unnecessary temporary files that can slow things down. Make sure you have at least 1/4 of your device's storage space free. This allows for smoother operation. Also, try lowering the in-game graphics settings within Roblox itself to reduce the processing load on your mobile phone. For advanced ping reduction, always try to select Roblox servers that are geographically closer to your current location. This minimizes the distance data travels. It's also wise to disable any virtual private network, or VPN, services while you are playing, as they often add extra latency. Finally, consider experimenting with a gaming-focused domain name system, or DNS, server, which might improve your connection's routing efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.